This is Diamond Rose kicking off with a brand new video. Yes, today we will be talking about this company. Well, bringing up this company called Balance of Nature. It is based out in Hurricane, Utah. It's a remote position for $15 per hour. It's a full-time job position. Now, the job role for this company is a customer service chat agent. And this is a non-phone job, you guys. Yes, a non-phone job. Now, the shift and the schedule will be Monday to Friday. And the benefits of this company will be for this job position 401k, 6% matching, 401k matching, dental insurance, health insurance, health savings account, referral program, vision insurance. And the full job description goes as the customer service chat agent will handle customers' questions and requests through online chats and emails. This position will be the initial contact with our customers to help them manage their account information and orders. If you are a positive individual with excellent communication skills and good work ethic and a desire to help others, come join our team at Balance of Nature. Excuse me. We strive for every employee to find success and fulfillment in their position at Balance of Nature. In order to achieve this goal, we require 2 blocks of in-person, full-time training. The schedule for training is Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. at our offices in St. George, Utah. After the completion of the training and a minimum of 1 month working in office, this position will work remotely. What you will bring: ability to type over 60 words per minute with over 90% accuracy, excellent computer skills, proficiency in Google applications, ability to learn new programs quickly, ability to manage multiple customer conversations at a time, personal motivation and professionalism, stellar verbal and written communication skills, ability to embrace challenges and change in a fast-paced environment, willingness to learn and work hard, dependability in 18 years of age or older. What you will do: respond to all chats and emails in a timely manner, make updates to customers, contact information, orders, and payment information quickly and accurately. Educate every active customer about the free health coaching courses available to them. Collect and record success stories and testimonials. Effectively communicate with each customer, ensuring that their needs are addressed. Maintain open communication with your team, lead, and manager. Be to work on time and maintain good attendance. Review statistics weekly and identify areas that need improvement. Who Okay, while you love working here at this company called Balance of Nature, here are the reasons why you will love it: minimum essential coverage plan, health savings account, dental and vision insurance, health share program, 401k with 6% employer match, free lunches, free smoothie bar every morning, free access to Balance of Nature products, personal trainer and gym located in St. George, Utah, employee referral bonuses, and the pay once again is $15 per hour. The schedule once again is Monday through Friday. Saturdays are optional, 8 a.m. through 5 p.m., 1 o'clock p.m. to 10 o'clock p.m. Thank you very much for your interest in working for Balance of Nature. We appreciate your time and review every resume that is submitted to our HR department. You will receive an email within 24 hours that confirms your application has been accepted by our applicant tracking system. Balance of Nature is an equal employee opportunity employer. So they just post this job today as of this Monday, and that'll be all for this video, guys, for the non-phone job that I have seen on Indeed, and I will be coming back with more. Keep on shining and keep on being motivated. Hey, keep it motivated. Keep on being motivated, guys. Come on, you guys got this. Go ahead and like, subscribe, comment, and tap that notification bell. And I will see you guys on the next video. Bye.